Driscoll Signature Decks is an outdoor entertainment space designer and builder. As you can see throughout this website, we specialize in custom decks, fiberglass decks, sunrooms, and the very popular again, enclosed porches, paver stone patios, retainer walls, stone veneer, barbecue platforms, and outdoor kitchens. This keynote video presentation highlights how we work with you to design and build your own Driscoll signature decks. Look for other videos here on this website. We'd like to introduce our assistant, Mr. Hand, with his touchscreen transition between each slide. So let's get started. We have found the one thing our customers have in common is they appreciate and demand quality. Starting when we first meet for our Driscoll site survey, we take all the exacting measurements of your house line and a number of before photos. We discuss your family needs, ideas to better understand your lifestyle and budget, so we can develop together your perfect dream deck with options and design characteristics for your own specific needs. You will find that the sole purpose of our relationship is the guarantee of your satisfaction in our work. We invest in state-of-the-art CAD or computer-aided design software specifically made to design custom decks, which gives us a complete bill of material of the deck design we develop for you with a comparative costs for materials needed to build it. Our CAD software also offers virtual concept drawings and 3D images for a more realistic visual of how your deck will look. Our mission statement is Facta non verba. We believe that facts, not words, make a successful business relationship. Once we find the right design for your dream deck, we prepare our proposal with itemized descriptions, design images, and optional time frame discounts. We don't believe in a quick close sales and normally deliver our proposal by email, which allows you time to consider the design and the total cost of the project. Once we have agreed to go ahead, we draw up your plan for the building department permit application. We then mail you general liability and workers' compensation co-insurance certificates, and once your permit is issued, a start date is set on our schedule. Although every custom deck we design and build is unique, each one must start with robust structural framing. Getting the below the deck framing right is a critical component to the structural integrity of each and every custom deck we build. The next feature of our custom deck designs is decking board patterns and picture frames. Here we use a diagonal pattern and parting boards. Or here we use herringbone patterns, mostly to alleviate random butt cuts, to make your deck look like it was made by someone who cares, someone who knew what they were doing. For safety, we recommend changing the direction of the decking boards to highlight or accent a level change. Sometimes patterns are used just to complement a design, but again, mostly to alleviate those random butt-end cuts that any neophyte deck builder would do for you. Then finally, we demonstrate the importance of choosing the right railings that will complement your deck. Here we have a white vinyl railing with mahogany top rails on a Brazilian Ipe deck. Or these clear plexiglass railings on this fiberglass deck. Here we installed Spanish cedar top rails on a cellular vinyl deck. Or this one, it's a composite decking boards with matching redwood railing systems. You may have noticed a number of our deck designs. We offer upgrades or options to personalize your deck, such as accent lighting, a pergola, a built-in spa, a sunroom, paver stone walkways, retainer walls or veneer. All of this is to accent your own outdoor entertainment space. Note our use of accent post lights, or for safety's sake, popular level change lights. Here's another sample of a beautiful pergola with built-in spa in the lower right. This Driscoll signature deck has a pair of built-in benches, accent lights, a step-down octagon with a spa and an overhead pergola. You can see this and many more entire deck build-outs from before to after here on our website. Here we have a beautiful mahogany deck we built with flared stairs, a screened-in gazebo, stone veneer walkways, and an outdoor kitchen in the right side patio. Now normally we design a deck to be on, but this one, it was designed to be not only on, but also underneath. We built this fiberglass deck with a paver stone patio below, with vinyl post cladding, crown moldings, stone base and walls, a beadboard ceiling with hi-hats and paddle fans. Now this is one true Driscoll signature deck. This deck is proof that Driscoll Decks is on the level. Note the grade of this yard. Prior to building this beautiful deck, this customer never ventured down those rickety builder steps, which can be seen in the before image on the top left. This award-winning project was used in the pergola manufacturer's brochures. Again, this entire before and after deck build-out and many others can be found here on this website. So now it's your turn. Let's start working on your Driscoll Dream Deck today. It's time for you to call us at 609-204-2424.